Hello everyone and welcome back to today's Morning Report analysis videos on Wednesday the 16th of November with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. I'm going to look at cable now. We've just had out the UK unemployment data. It's coming marginally lower on the headline. 4.8% was the drop to. Interesting sort of mix on the average weekly earnings on the sort of headline basis, 2.3%, which is marginally lower than the expectation, but in line with in line with last month. But the slight pickup in ex-bonus to 2.4% is a positive. So it's sort of mixed data really for the unemployment there for the UK, and sort of sterling has reacted fairly sort of neutrally, really, not really done a great deal. But I've sort of got this downtrend in here on this chart, which you've broken. You've got the base pattern, you've got the sort of sequence of higher lows really, and the support that's come in at 23.80 is held yesterday, second bear candle in a row, but it's not really sort of continued today. More of a consolidation really. This is the RSI staying above 50, which is interesting, and the stochastics sort of, yes, they've turned lower, but they've not yet broken below sort of that reaction low that we saw last week. So there's bit of a sort of consolidation move really on cable. Nothing too significant yet in terms of direction. Yes, we've sort of, if I zoom out, you've broken that that old uptrend, and arguably you are now also finding resistance around that uptrend. However, it's sort of more of a consolidation, more of a sideways move, and I think holding above 23.50 is important. 23.50 comes just above 23.30, which was the breakout of this base pattern. So 23.80 was yesterday's low. Again, that is at above 23.50. So there are minor sort of higher lows going on, and you've got the outlook on the momentum indicators, which is sort of still holding up above 30 on the hourly RSI. So it's relatively positive still. If cable sort of can regain the initiative, sort of break back above yesterday's high, I think that sort of puts it back into challenge of this 25.57 level, which is this old sort of resistance, which again has become supportive with this reaction high that we saw on Monday. So 25.57 is sort of the key sort of line in the sand. I'm sort of taking it as near term. So if you can sort of break back above that, you're looking back towards the highs again, 26.73. But for now, it's sort of more of a consolidation move. Cables sort of 16 ticks up on the day, sort of consolidating really, looking for direction. It's not got it out of this UK unemployment data, but certainly 23.80 is where we start to see the key support coming in, but 23.30 to 23.50 is the main line of support. So I wish you good luck in your trading today on cable, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.